I'll show in this video how you can check if your TikTok account is active or not. You know, there are people that they just post videos and they are complaining that they're not getting views, they're not getting likes, comments, like they're not getting engagement on their platform. Now, have you checked whether your TikTok account is active or not? If your account is not active, let me tell you, there's nothing you can do that will reflect on your account. You will just be working hard and it will not be showing. So if you're interested, don't skip this video. Follow me, like, save, and share this video. And I'm going to take you step by step and show you how this can be done. Now, if you're interested, let's go. Check whether your account is active or if your account is not active. These are the steps. The very first thing you need to do is click on your profile on TikTok and then click on these three lines there, which is the hamburger line. Now click on settings and privacy. Okay, so at this point, you're gonna click on report a problem. Just scroll down, click on report a problem. Okay, now you're gonna click on account growth. So it says, I want to grow my account. Now you can just read all of this if you want, and then scroll down to where it says related questions and click on the very first one, which is suspended account. Now allow it to load. Okay, here it says TikTok is committed to maintaining a safe and positive in-app experience and it reserves the right to suspend accounts that violate our community guidelines. So what you need to do at this point is click on where it says tap to check if your account has been suspended. Remember, if your account is suspended, that is when you realize that you'll be posting, your post wouldn't be making any headway. So let's click on that and check. Now it says account is active. Your account is active and can be accessed. You see? So this is how you know whether your account is really active or not. There's no point in just posting where you're not even sure if your account is active or not. So once in a while, carry out this exercise to check if your account is active or not. Okay, guys, so that is it all for today. You have seen how to check whether your account is active or not. Once in a while, do this and see where your account stands, so that you know what step to take. If you check and your account is not active, you act immediately. Now, under this video, leave a comment if you have checked and your own account is not active, so that I can do a video and show you how you can rectify it. Yeah. And if you have also checked and your account is active, kudos. Also leave a comment so that we will know that your account is active and in the right place. So this is where I'm going to leave it. If you find value in this video, please give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video. See you next time. You're welcome.